What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. Today, I want to talk about Kelly Khumalo and look at her untouchable powers and as to why is Kelly Khumalo not yet been arrested. Because surely by now, it's more like what, 10 years plus. But Kelly Khumalo has not yet been arrested. The warrant of arrest was issued. It was not signed. It's still there with the police. Kelly Khumalo is walking free. She's releasing her music. She's getting shows, etc. She's just living a life like nothing happened. Well, the thing is that on 26 October, Kelly Khumalo went to a Sangoma for cleansing. She went there with her sister Zandile. There they got cleansed. Then sometime in 2015, the Sangoma also released an affidavit and said Zandile Khumalo returned with her then boyfriend Longwe Twala for another cleansing. Then somehow Kelly Khumalo also realized that the first cleansing wasn't working so much, so she then returned again with another god for cleansing. Since then, that Sangoma has not been seen or heard from. She has not yet appeared to talk about those events again. So the rumors that are circulating online are that those cleansings that were done by that Sangoma have sort of protected Kelly Khumalo from anything that may be issued to her for her to be arrested. And also looking at the courts themselves, the way I see it from my angle, I don't think that the courts will look at something like going to a Sangoma for cleansing and then look at that and say, okay, let's bring it into the trial and talk about it. Because that is just something that is just superstitious. And so at the courts, they will never hear the cleansing ceremony being talked about because it adds nothing to the facts. And just I think it's yesterday, 13 November 2024, Kelly Khumalo posted pictures of herself where she was saying that she is now a Sangoma herself. She's now a traditional healer. She went through various training processes, through going water, through prayers, and connecting with the ancestral roots. So she is now a Sangoma herself. So looking at all of this, these are just some of the shocking secrets that protect Kelly Khumalo. Then there are also these rumors that just circulate on social media about Kelly Khumalo being protected by Bheki Cele. Those rumors actually were raised in court by an advocate, but they didn't have any substance behind them. And Kelly Khumalo herself, she quickly rubbished those claims and they just disappeared. But these are some of the things that are out there. Do they have any substance? It's a bit tricky. You never know in life what works and what doesn't work. But these are some of the shocking secrets that I said let me bring to you. So tell me what you think in the comment section and I'll catch you guys on the next one.